Hey guys, Czar here, back with you. Hope all is well. Trust you're having a good day. This is my second time with you today. The first time was my short that was right in through here, and I got 1 hour out of that, although I think it went to 2 or 3 hour, but I just wanted the most certain move here, given that we are in a very bullish environment, and I was taking a short, obviously. We sliced through this zone. I've now removed it, and now we are at this next zone, which we've tapped and are rejecting from or reversing from. Looking for another short here, guys. Right in through here, right now, sell stop. And my stop actually on this one, I'm going to give it a bit of room here, is way up here, 48 points. And I'm looking for 1 hour only on this. Here we go. Sell stop. I'll fix this marker in a moment. You can see where my entry is. Here we go. Now I'll be managing this entry dynamically. In other words, if this price keeps going up, if my trade idea stays intact, I'll be revising my entry higher. I will not be revising it lower. It'll be higher or no trade at all, depending on what market action or what price action is telling me at that time. And I'm in, guys. And I'm in right there. Short the NASDAQ for the second time here today. And now it's the waiting game. And there it is, guys. Took a little bit longer than I expected, but it worked. Got a little double top here with a 2B, a marginal penetration, and then driving down. You'll notice that I gave this a little more room than I would do if this was the first trade of the day. But given that it was the second and rebounding, there could have been a reversal in the morning. I normally trade reversals in the afternoon if there's a significant move away from the open range in VWAP. I don't typically trade reversals in the morning unless it's very compelling and very strong. This was a nice orderly drive. You can see this impulse move down, a fairly orderly, typical zigzag, right? 1, 2, 3 retracement, a nice Fibonacci move. I didn't actually measure this, but for those who are interested, there's the 618 of that first leg. If you go all the way to the beginning of the day, which I would rather do, you got a 50% reversal. We actually went a little bit higher there. And this is where I entered, of course, down here. And so, very orderly stuff here, guys. But this is a trend continuation in the morning. Of course, the overall trend here, guys, from daily and weekly and monthly is up. But that's not what we're talking about here. This is a market open play. This is an optimal trading window morning, first 2 hours of the day play. The trend is down. Impulse, corrective, impulse. It just didn't impulse as cleanly as I would have liked. Doesn't matter. It reached the goal. That's 47 points, 47 3/4 points, and the first trade was about 20 points, I believe, on the initial leg down here. Have an amazing afternoon. We'll talk to you soon.